Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the profound meaning behind the 29th verse of Surah Al-Baqarah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء فسواهن سبع سماوات.
Translation: He is the one who created all that is on earth for you. Then he intended to create the heaven, so he created exactly 7 heavens, and he has full knowledge of everything. هُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ لَكُمْ. He is the one who made it for you. It was said to all human beings that whatever river, mountains, mines, fields, seas, etc. are on the earth, everything has been created by Allah Ta'ala for your religious and worldly benefit. The religious benefit is that by seeing the wonder of the earth, you are blessed with the knowledge of the wisdom and power of Allah Almighty. And the worldly benefit is that you eat and drink the thing of the worldly and bring them to your work, as long as there is no prohibition from Allah Almighty. However, how can you deny Allah Ta'ala? An important rule it is known from this verse that what Allah has not forbidden is permissible and lawful for us. وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عَلِيمٌ. And He has full knowledge of everything. The creation of the universe and bringing it into existence is a proof of the perfect knowledge of Allah Almighty. Because the creation of the creators full of such wisdom is not possible and conceivable without knowing each and everything. The unbelievers used to consider it impossible to live after death. In this verse, a great argument has been established on the falseness and invalidity of the belief of the unbelievers, that when Allah Almighty has power and knowledge and the body also has the ability to live, then after that, how can resurrection be impossible? The wisdom and guidance found in the 29th verse of Surah Al-Baqarah are truly profound. May the lesson from Surah Al-Baqarah enrich our lives and guide us on the straight path. Until next video, stay blessed and keep seeking knowledge. Peace be upon you all.